Hi, it's Mark Guard from UK Lock Sport. I've been working on a new core design. I've been using these Sterling locks I've got given 12 of these. And they're all standard pins inside of them, just like this core here. So you turn it round, just there, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not very challenging keyway, but basically, put your key in, as you would at home, turn, and it will unlock for you. But I got a bit fed up with this, and I always love messing about with locks, and I was messing about with some pins, and I just came up with an idea, and that was this. This is your standard 5-pin lock, exactly the same, but what I've done is I drilled 2 extra holes in the side here, and now it's a 7-pin. So the basic idea is, if I use my practice core here, I shall put this in just about straight, because I don't want these pins I'm about to put in to fall straight through. So now if I put 1 pin in number 4 where 1 hole is, and 1 pin in number 2 where the other hole is, as you can see it moves freely. If I put this all the way straight, they'd just drop into the normal 5-pin Bible, into the normal 5-pin slots. But if I turn it to the right, he says, this should prove that it'll work with the key in. Maybe a bit of filing to be done there. A bit of filing to be done to make it smooth. So sorry about that. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the core in here. But as you can see, it's still turned clockwise. So there's the core. Drop in pin 4. Pin 2 and pin 4. Hold back and just remove the key. What you're actually doing here is you're using this part of the key here, this ridge, as an extra depth marker. You could even drill into here and set different depths, so it's more like a dimple as well, so that when somebody turns it, if I can get a tension wrench, I have just done it, but just so you can see, I mean, look at that. I dropped the pin at the top by holding it incorrectly, but still, 1 pin holding that. And one thing I did notice is if it can see inside, is you can just see that bar slightly going across. Here's my broken pick here, just about there. Now these pins, they drop all the way to the bottom here, so to get them up, you're going to be playing about a bit. So I'll just pop that out. And pop the core out. And focus it. So these are just standard pins at the moment. I am working on being like maybe threading them or something, but for now I'm just going to do it like this. I'm going to send it through to Bill to see what he can do with it. Pin 1 and pin 2. Beauty about these are, this is, all the pins are the same. If I can get it to focus. Typical, isn't it? It likes to focus and then just zip out wherever it wants. Here we go, right. So what I'm going to do is, you can see in a minute, I'm going to pull this key out and you should be able to see it just drop in. So you can't even put the key back in or turn it once they're down. And you just watch the top fall in. And if we get it level, there, I've just seen it pop in. So probably the pick along. You'll get the general idea. This is like completely blocked in here. I can't actually get the pick in there. That's from the back. So now you can see all the way through better actually. Sorry the video's taking so long, it wasn't supposed to be this long. There we are. And then from the front. That's them pins just dropped in. Lovely. It's my new idea. I haven't seen any locks being manufactured like this, but I think it's a good safety precaution because mine are just slightly offset in the hope that I'll put a spool in one of these, and you can see that it's not quite level by that, and that's the edge of that one, and it comes partly in, just on the hope that by doing that, it's only like not even a mil. I wouldn't say how it looks worse on the camera. That if I put a spool in there, it just pop back into this one. Just try and keep it different. I mean, you could also put another one in there, another two around there. That would make picking a nightmare. And with a basic key, which is, I'm actually going to use this key because it's got quite a good bidding on it. You can just put tiny holes in at different heights, same as a dimple. I mean, you could put it in the into the side to use that actual run here as your level. If I can get it to focus. Yeah, or not. Does not focus on this. Yeah. Yes, you could use that as your level. You could use inside. Here, it's a bit fine cut, but you could use that as your level. Even round to using the back of your key, because usually you have to turn it, what, about, say 180 to open, roughly. Anyway, this was supposed to be a short video, it's not anymore, and I'm rambling on. I'm sorry if I'm boring you all, but just, yeah, hopefully I'll get one of these sent over to Bosnia and Bill within the next month, and I've also got a parcel sent to Kopinski 77. So I'm going to try to do them as soon as I can. So please stay safe, stay legal, and I'll try and do a video on me picking sometime in the future.